Hello students, I am back to continue the syllabus. Class 5, subject EVS, topic the changing family. In last class we were talking about the changing in the family. I told you there are many type of families. That time we talked about the two. First one was big families and the second one was small families. So after that we talked that many times the condition comes in life that the families change their living places. So we were talking about the regions. Last one regions which we was talked that was the migration. In migration people change their living place from one to another. That was the migration. Now today first is displacement. Displacement is also the reason because of the people change their living place. So when people are forced to move because of some calamity like floods or droughts, means in this type of condition, people are forced, they are not going changing their place desired. They are doing it because of the condition, forced to move because of the calamities like floods or droughts. Means when the natural disasters comes, in that case people leave their living place and go to the another. Sometimes fights, wars, riots, these are the also reasons because of the people changing their place. People who are forced to move due to disasters are known as displaced people or refugees. Means persons who change their living place that are known as displaced people or refugees. Means when they change their living place because of the disasters, that type of people are known as displaced people or refugees. The government sometimes builds temporary shelters called refugee camps for displaced people. Since in the case of displacement, many people change their living place. So lot of people collected there. It will be very hard to survive them without the help of the government. So in that case, the government builds temporary shelters which are known as refugee camps, and it is for the displaced people. Means these type of shelters are made for the refugees that are changed their living place because of the displacement, that was the natural disasters. Transfer, next region is transfer. When people move frequently from one place to another, in that type of changing place move frequently from one to another. The normal reason of the transfer is job. When the people leave their place, changing their, actually not leave, they are changing their living place just because of the job. In some government jobs or the privates also, after some time, the that company or the that field, that department change the people working place. They told them that you have to do the work in that the another one. So in that case, they change their living place. It is the transfer. Next reason is demolition. When people are forced to move because their homes have been demolished. In this type of displacement, this type of migration, this type of changing place, people are forced because their homes have been demolished. Demolished means broken out. That homes are totally destroyed and their living place has been changed. That is the demolition. Demolition takes place for development projects like bridges or flyovers. Normally the demolition have been done because of the development of the city. When the development is necessary, in that case if the any particular place home is coming in the way of those type of developments, in that case the government demolished the house of those people and asked them to change their living place. That is the demolition. The government generally provides compensation. Means if the home of a person is demolished, their homes are broken out because of the these type of development works. In that case, the government provides some fund to them, or they give them some other place, same as the place which was the last one as their homes. That is the compensation. Means government don't want to harm those people, those who are already living in their homes. So they provide the compensation for those type of people. So these are the points of today class. Now it is your homework. EVS homework, learn and write these points in your EVS activity copy. You have to learn all these points and also you will write it in your EVS activity copy. Thank you.